Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to reduce noise in your video with Capcut. Let's go. It's very simple. So let's find Capcut here. So what we need to do is to tap new project. Let's find a noisy video. Let's find a noisy video. Which video is noisy here? Okay, let's use it. Let's see. Okay. So just listen to it for a second. Let's see the difference in this video now. So what we'll do is to tap on the video, just tap on the clip, and then you scroll down. You will see where it is written reduce noise. Tap on it and then reduce noise. You activate it by touching the edge here. You see? Pause. So yeah, do you see the change? Let me play this is after the reducing of the noise, and let's import the same clip again so you understand what I mean. Let's import it so you will see the difference. You see, it's noisy. Okay, this is the new one we imported now. This is the one we worked on. You see the difference? Okay, let's just, for example, listen to it. You see? So this is how to reduce noise in your video with Capcut. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.